Amaka, in one very short sentence, where is that woman? Answer me! Where is she?
Father, you're shouting. This is your family, Father. Me, you're shouting.
What are you actually? Are you sick in the head? Where are you keeping that woman? Where is your conqueror's wife? Because she is not in the room where you kept her. Where is she?
Father, if she's not there, that means she has gone. I mean, Father, she has gone. Father.
Does it actually mean you are supporting your mother? Are you aware you are going to be the next king of this kingdom?
I thought you said you have the power to release her. Go and free her! Free her!
Why are you daring me? No, what exactly is wrong with you?
Father, can you stop shouting because you're not even making any point, Father? You don't even get the point, Father. What? My mother here happens to be the queen of this kingdom. And by that virtue, Father, she has every right to do whatever she wishes to her stubborn subjects.
Oh, I am disappointed in you.
That fool, that non-entity has no right whatsoever to lay a finger out on my mother. Never! Father, if I were the king, that woman would have been hanged by now.
I listen to you and I feel very sick. Can you imagine the rubbish you are saying? No. If you are sitting as the king of this kingdom, is this the kind of disjointed judgment you should be given as king? Oh, I look at you and I am convinced you are not qualified to rule as king. There is no way you are going to rule after me.
He will rule after you. It is you who does not know that I have the equal right as you in this palace. Avoid me.
Amaka, I know why I am leaving you. Do not force me to unleash the totality of the powers of the king on you. In your overall interest, Amaka, if you know where you are keeping that woman, release her. I am not going to warn you again.
You will not do it. You are not going to do this.
You don't understand. What are you talking about? Huh? My father fainted at the station. What do you want for our family? What do you want? Do you want my father to die?
Keep quiet. Let him die, I do not care. Where is your sister?
I don't know.
Shut up! She thinks she can run. Huh? She thinks she can run. I'll ask you for the last time. Where is your sister?
And I said I don't know. I don't know.
He don't know. He said he doesn't know. Chistre had the guts to confiscate my key and my 2 phones. My 2 iPhones worth millions of naira. I will not repeat myself again. Where is Chistre?
I said I don't know.
Chistre had the guts to pull a gun at me, just the way the youths, my subjects, my lawyer chiefs. Take off.
Leave my clothes. Leave my clothes. Leave my clothes. I bought this clothes expensive. This clothes is very expensive. Leave my clothes. Leave my clothes. Leave my clothes. What kind of harassment is this?
You lie down. Lie down.
Leave me alone.
Lie down. Lie down.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Ow! 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 Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Shut up. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Shut up.
No, please leave me alone.
I said shut up.
Sister is here. Sister.
Shut up.
Sister, leave me alone.
Listen.
Move! Move now! Move! Get out!
Yes.
You!
Sister, shoot him now! Shoot him! Shoot him! He doesn't have to leave! Shoot him!
Wait for me!
This idiot! Idiot! You should come and fight me now!
I don't like it when you bring this up. This is very dangerous. This is a firearm! It is wrong!
Are you okay?
I'm not okay. I'm not okay. I'm okay. They injured my back. I'm not okay. Look at what they've done to my fine body now.
You need to leave this village. As a matter of fact, all of you have to leave this village. I'll make plans and get all of you out of here. This place is no longer safe nor conducive for any of you. The prince has lost his mind, his mother has gone mad. The entire place is in a state of jeopardy.
Chizzy, how dare you challenge the prince of this kingdom? How dare you challenge the youths of this kingdom? Are you mad?
Why not go challenge the stupid prince? Who he be? Why will his mother kidnap my mother? For what?
Chizzy, you talk to me like that?
Who you be who I no go fit talk to?
The messenger of the gods?
Which stupid messenger of the gods? If you be messenger of the gods that for your pocket, me I be native doctor on my own. On a normal, you know. I don't say herbs give you before when you treat your infection and your wife own. Don't let me say madness put for your body, oh. Because right now body they pepper me, make them release my mama.
Chizzy, now listen. I want you to go and reconcile with the prince.
If I try, I might die. If I try, make this ground swallow me. If my mother does not come out from that stupid cell, I swear to God, everywhere go there bloody, this kingdom go hot.
Chizzy, Agwanti nanti anuro, ebelisi, isi sorukuya wegaba.
Okay, get out from this place. Go to hell.
Mazidipe, please. Don't take it too seriously. She's just a child. I'll talk to her. I'll handle her, okay? Please.
Yeah, she say no nonsense again.
She
know they look your face. Justice must be done, no matter who you be. And if you give her trouble, she go give you double.
This is an insult to. This is an insult to you and to us. There is a nobody. There is a nobody to have done this to us. Who is she? Ha! That fool had the guts to pull a gun at me. Now, I will never let that slide. I won't let it slide.
My prince, the one way to bust my head be say, I don't know wetin they give that girl liver. I don't know where they carry her liver they come from. And I even hear say the other day she beat up one person for market. The man
Benz, shut up. Just shut up if you don't have anything to say. This is not the marketplace. This is not where she beats that man in the market. Just shut up. You are talking about something important here. You are talking about... can you provide 11 million naira? Can you provide it? 11 million naira is not a joke. What we have in that post, the community post now, is just 500,000 naira. Can you provide it? I will never. I will never be challenged by a woman. I will never bring out any money. Not even a dime. She had the guts. She had the guts to seize my key, my phones. Now I can't even drive. A car bought me. I'm losing it. I'm losing it. Put. Please. I'm going mad. How dare she stay? How dare? Let's calm down. We have to plan. There are better ways to handle this. Let me hear it. What is your plan? What is your strategy? Better don't say rubbish. Please. Let me hear it.
Please, you shouting now, not know what to say. I heard.
She be just a cigar. She be no nonsense.
Let me hear it.
Your Majesty, this girl has done evil in this land. She chased the youth of this land with her father's gun. And the worst of it all, she seized the car key of the prince and also his phone. She must be someone with immediate effect for gross disrespect to the youth and the crown prince of this kingdom.
Ezemo, honestly, I have an idea why you are sounding this way. But I need to find out. Did you get background information or the backstory as to the reason the young woman did what she did?
Your Majesty, I don't want to know. Because she has no right whatsoever to chase the youth of this kingdom with her father's gun and also be in possession of a man's property. I suggest she must be punished. Your Majesty, what I am saying, she must be banished.
Banishment? Banishment is extreme. Ezemo, why banishment?
Oh no, you already know.
Your Majesty, Ezemo, please, I want to beg you, go back to the place. I will summon the young woman. Trust me, I will handle this. Your Majesty, the gods have spoken.
Your Majesty, things are getting out of hand.
You are telling me? I know. And you are not going to disappoint me by sitting down here and giving me the impression you don't know where this is coming from.
But he involved the gods.
He says the more he has become more of a politician.
I can see that.
More of a politician. I know where this is coming from, and trust me, I will handle this.
You're endangering your life, Cheesy. I mean, how did you start all of this? Was all of this necessary?
I beg Olisa, keep this your advice to yourself. My head full, oh. You don't understand what happened to me right now. My father is sick and in the hospital. My mother is in the palace cell. Just keep your advice to yourself, Pico.
Cheesy, listen. You and I know that the prince will come back. Oh yes, he will. Guess what? When he returns, he might come tonight, he might come tomorrow, he might come anytime. And when he returns, he's going to try to hurt you. Cheesy, you have stepped on the lion's tail.
Lion no go sleep tonight. You see that lion, he no go rest. Hunter spirit activated. I be full-blown man, you don't know who's down near you. You don't even know who I be. I go enter that place, bring out my mama, otherwise this kingdom no go no peace. I go worry everybody. Anything we want happen, make it happen. Anything we want stop, make it stop. If the priest they come meet me tomorrow or tonight, and they wait for him, make it come. But you see that palace, I don't enter already.
Baby, listen. I am here for you. Marcus.
Sir? Oga sir. I don't call your phone since while I do.
What?
And they call you this one where they you get people where they call prince, they say they be princess, yeah, and friend. They come out since so. They don't want go, say they go wait for you. And I tell them, say, you know they come back today. Some Oga come out, he travel, you know they come back today. No agree. Those people stubborn. I know they say as woman they stubborn rich like that. Say they be princess.
Wait. You allowed a stranger into my house? Are you out of your mind?
I don't they call you sis, my Oga, no versa.
What princess are you talking about? Princess from what planet? Listen, I have no business with it. I am coming to the house now. I'm very close to the house. I am coming and...
What is the meaning of this madness, young woman? I called you to come to the palace and you came this way? What is wrong with you?
I dey guard myself now. Now one life everybody gets, I no go use and play.
God!
Get this lunatic down.
Are you sick in the head? Get who down? What is wrong with you? Take who down.
Let's say you don't whine yourself. May they get you down. Let's say you don't know who stand before you. You be devil, full devil. Man, they trigger. One pull, blood go full everywhere. Life go lost. My papa na hunter in those days for Kanu. He teach me how to operate different guns. I be soldier. Don't try yourself. Don't whine.
Father, are you going to sit there and watch this lunatic insult me?
Can you be quiet? I am trying to understand what is happening here. Keep quiet.
No, like they greet so. And they see you, you they show yourself. You no fear. You get my mama for sale. I wanna be best friends. Una go the same school together. Marry from the same village. You get mind. Put them for sale. It's not so best friend they do. I no go ever get friend for this life. But anyways, I not come here for trouble. That my mama, you go bring and come out. My mama go come out. That 11 million go come out. Otherwise, this kingdom no go no peace.
Now, I need you to explain to me the exact reason you attacked the youths who came to your compound.
One no go attack them. Your son sent people to attack me, so I had to defend myself.
Why did you confiscate his phone, Sankaki?
Oh no, wetin dey occur now? Wetin dey sup now? What's up you? Why you dey pretend like say you don't know the matter? Anyways, for clarity's sake, I go tell una wetin sup. Prissy Kemba, get mind! Back 11 million when Chief Onwa give am for the development of youth in our community. He tell us say he go buy buses with the money. Say he go do many things with the money. Buses we not see. Money we not see. As no youth won't talk, I decided to question him. Oga, where the money? Where the 11 million where they give you? Make it fall out.
Shut the fuck up! Shut up! Are you trying to question my accountability? Is that what you're trying to do?
Who you be one of you question your accountability? Who you be? Who you be? You remain for house? Ma clear you. Except say I know they leave. You see that money? You go bring them out too. That money go fall out. Otherwise, I go set this kingdom on fire. That money must come out though. If you say you don't know who they here, you see that money? You no go chop am, the money go choke you. That money go come out, you go hear this cause. Later when I write myself, give late Chief on, and I me write that letter when I make that money fall out. That money go fall out though. Congrats, oh. Your car is fine. Congratulations.
Thank you, Zeri. You know, I thought about you. Okay, so I decided to come give you 1 million naira. You know, so you can just get something for yourself. 1 million.
I don't understand. What you want to do? Anyways, that's by the wayside. How far now? When you go buy the Urumba youth bus, it don't reach 3 months when Chief Owan give you the money. We never hear from you. Even youth meeting, you no call. What thing they happen?
Well, CJ, you know, I am the youth leader. Okay. I've told you before. You just have to calm down, relax your mind. All right. I'll buy the bus. In fact, I'm going to do every other thing. All right.
No. They tell me to calm down. You get that CB. That 1 million self where you say you want give me, I no need that. That's the honest truth. My mind dead for this bus. You need to buy the bus. If you not fit buy the 2 shuttle buses, at least buy 1 major big bus. We need bus in this community. If you not buy this bus, my mind no go rest oh. No go lie give you.
They never cease to abuse me. All right, I've heard you. All right, I'm going to buy the bus. Okay? Yes, I'll buy the bus.
If you say so.
So.
Congrats again, no. This your car really makes sense, so.
Thank you.
Don't forget to buy the bus, so.
No, I promise I'll buy the bus. So can I take you for a ride?
No, carry me go any ride. Just go buy bus, come give us.
All right, no problem.
Take care.
Good night.
I people post and they post me. They post me up and down. I tell myself, say enough is enough.
Chiziteri, Prissy Kemba is the prince of this land and also the youth leader. How do you challenge him of mismanagement of funds? Do you have any proof of that? Do you?
I hear you. Ma clear, you no go fit use my head. Two of una no go fit use my head. All of una, all the youths, una no go fit use my head. That money must come out, otherwise I go seize the 2 phones and the car key, and that's on period.
Father, audacity is driving me crazy, Father.
Now, listen to me, you young little brat. I've heard about you in this kingdom, but I choose to be silent. Not because of your mother or our past relationship. I've heard of your escapades, how you beat men of valor. I have your record. I have them.
You hear well, Lolo.
And you dare face my family? How dare you? What audacity? What temerity? What guts have you? Do you know who you want to mess with? Do you know? Now, hand me over my son's phone and car key. Hand them over to me now!
You be like say jazz dey your mouth. But even if jazz dey your mouth, madam, that jazz no go work. You go release my mama from that cell. Your son go release the money when they with am. That's why I want am.
What audacity? Igorumba, will you sit here and watch this happen? Will you?
Honestly, she's a terror. Your guts and audacity marvel me. Even as I agree you may have a point, why are you going about it the wrong way?
So I'm doing it the right way because I know be mumu. If all of them na mumu, me I know be mumu.
Okay, where are the items? The phones and the car key. Where are they?
Under my custody.
Good. I want you to hand them over to me.
So I'm not vexed. I don't know where it is.
How dare you? Oh my goodness.
Please chop money. Prison Keba go bring that money when the pake. That 11 million must fall out. My mama must come out from that cell. My mama, I know they take and play. She must come out. Otherwise, no show.
Your mother will be released. That is the assurance I'm giving you. But I need you to release the items you have under your custody.
I know fit. My mind no carry am, sir.
I am ordering you to release them now.
Sir, no vex. I no go fit.
Igwarumba! Igwarumba! Are you seeing this? Are you watching this happen? Are you watching? Okay.
Princess, I am still trying to understand the main purpose of this visit. Besides, it is super strange for you to be in my house for this long.
Your gate man told me that he doesn't even know when you'll be back. But then I decided to wait for you. Mona, can you leave us, please?
Sure.
Can you please tell your rude gate man please? Please. You know, I have seen you a couple of times in my father's kingdom. And I've also seen you with Chizitiri. I did my findings and I found out that both of you are dating. How true is that?
That is absolutely correct. We're going on 3 months now.
Really?
Yes.
Have you taken a good look at yourself? Honestly, I must say that I am disappointed. I mean, look at you. So handsome. Look at the height. Your beautiful house. And the good business you have going for you. I mean, how can you settle for that illiterate? That tomboy? Huh?
Listen, Princess, I sincerely appreciate your concern. But I would prefer we delve into the topic of the day. Which is the purpose of your visit. Why are you here? I'm curious. I'm confused, as a matter of fact.
You don't have to be. The truth is that I have found you worthy in my sight.
Please make me understand what you're trying to say.
Okay. How else do you want me to
Princess,
say to you?
Excuse me. Listen, I do not know what you're trying to achieve with this, but whatever it is you're trying to do, I am not interested. All right? Please.
Okay, I will leave. But be rest assured that I will be back. All right? Mona?
My princess.
Let's go.
What do we call this now?
My second coming, he go bloody. If I go back to that palace again, he go mad. I'm not going to hear begging this second time. He go too bloody. I'm not going to agree, oh.
Sister, Mama is in the cell.
palace there for that matter. Eh? You go no fit give order, make them release Mama. Now what did they off me be that?
Don't stress yourself. If I go back there again, war go day. War go day, oh, and it go bloody. If I go back again, and Mama no come out.
Sir, wait. See. I like your voltage, alright? I like your voltage. In fact, I'm in support of it. Eh? But trust me, nothing they stop. Nothing they stop! Just they show themselves because they get power. Eh? Sister?
She say no nonsense again.
You need to trap the guy.
They look your face. Justice must be done.
A little girl. A baby girl challenged you in front of everyone and you could not do anything. What a shame. This is a double shame, King Orumba.
She had a gun with her. And let us also not forget she is fighting for her right.
And what stupid right, no? I ask you. What stupid right?
You took the youth's man. Your mother put her mother in the side cell.
A subject that is under my father? An ordinary subject? My father asked her to leave the palace. Just like that. No problem. I'm just watching you all. Let her continue to act.
What is going on here?
Nemo.
Chuni, can you imagine? That fool, that idiot that calls herself Chizite, she invaded the palace with a gun, demanding for the immediate release of her mother. Yes, and father asked her to leave the palace just like that.
She did what? Father! And where were the guards when all these were happening? Huh? Why did they arrest her and deal with her ruthlessly? Father, why have you become so soft all of a sudden? Why? What has she done to you?
A man does not slap the fly that perches on his scrotum. Everybody should calm down, please.
Oh no, we'll calm down for what, if I may ask? Oh, Genede. A young girl, a little brat, good for nothing girl, walked into the palace, demanding for God knows what. At the end of the day, refused to submit my son's phones and khaki. And you're telling us to calm down? No problem. We will calm down. Eh? We are coming down already.
Father, tomorrow I want that girl banished.
Exactly.
Instantly.
I want that lunatic banished out of this kingdom.
I concur.
Period.
Instantly. What is this? I can see you have a word, daughter. I can see. She will not give up until you release me from here, Zitere. She will not give up. And do not forget in a hurry I told you. So the earlier, the better. Now listen and listen good, you betrayer. You swine. You good for nothing nitwit. You poverty-stricken old haggard woman. No problem. Your daughter confiscated my son's car key and phones. And she is demanding for God knows what. Now, the God, the temerity, the nerves is what baffles me. But you know what? You shall see her end right here. I will make sure you see her end. That's a promise.
Zitere nwam. Odogun why?
If you touch me, you will not go scot-free.
Baggers! Sister, what is it? Who are they? Una they mad. No mind these idiots. They don't know say I gallant and they on guard all the time. Wait, Chirukwa. How be use the voice be that? Sister, what is going on here now? What is happening? Don't worry, nothing will stop. Don't sleep. Go, I'm there for you. Go and sleep. Useless idiot. Baggers! Enter again! Enter! I go bust your belly with bullets.
It's okay. Be a man, eh?
Easy now, no, easy, no.
Sorry. You see, you are very lucky if the wound is just a scratch. The bullets did not penetrate. So in no time, you'll be fine. I'll make sure I get you some painkillers to help you get rid of the pain.
Nurse.
Yes.
Now scratch the pain like this.
Yes, it's just a scratch.
Hey!
It's okay, yeah? Just be a man. Nurse, don't worry, you can leave now, eh?
It's okay.
I will get back to you.
It's
okay?
alright. It's alright.
Yeah.
Please have a good
Thank you.
night. It's
Yeah.
alright. Bye.
Shameless. Shameless! I'm gonna just there. Just there, you cannot shoot. You should shut your leg. Make sure you shut up! You shut up!
Oh, yeah.
Fools!
My prince. If you see the way this girl...
My prince, she was on guard. She was guarding her father's compound. Huh? See, before we just entered the compound, immediately, bam! Gunshot. Twa! This baby screamed. So we had to run. So she was even waiting, she was at her last waiting for us to come in.
My prince, this is very painful. This thing is very, very painful though.
My prince, see, my prince, I don't understand this first. Eh? Why would your father allow her to leave the palace like that? Eh? Your father, the king, didn't even do anything to her. She just came here, ran her mouth, and she left. We need to do something. We need to do something, and we need to do it fast. I know what I'm saying. She's already gathering some youth on her side.
To do something. My prince, the worst thing is that your father, the king, is on her side. He's not even on your side. Cha.
So, my prince, this one you said now, what are we going to do?
Good night.
Eh? I say good night. Here! Oh!
Is he going?
I say good night.
Did he just leave?
No, he just went. No, you saw him went.
Oh, we're in this together now.
We're in this. Nzube, I have to go.
You said?
Yes, now.
I don't understand.
I won't go.
Why you go talk that kind of thing?
This is not my father's house.
Now my father's house? You won't leave only me for here?
You stay here now. You want to go outside, make cheese, they catch you. Oh, you forget. She go call security for you. Join this leg. If you came for the second one.
This thing what you do not make sense. I be your guy, you. You supposed to stay here with me.
My guy, stay here. This is not my father's house. This is not my house. Eh? Tomorrow, we'll see.
If they can't carry me for here, uncle.
So I will see you. I will see you.
Eh? I be your guy, you.
I know.
No, Chizzy, I am not going to hang up. No. You calm down and listen to me. Listen, I don't even know what's going to happen next. Don't give me that. Don't tell me you are fine, Chizzy. Listen, it is high time we handed this matter over to the police. Let the security people do their thing. Listen, the prince is crazy. He's going to harm you. Can you just let me finish, Chizzy? Chizzy, you are putting everyone in danger. Your life is at risk. Chizzy, I cannot calm down. It is not possible. I've not been able to eat. I've not been able to do anything. Chizzy, please. Okay, Chizzy, please calm down. Chizzy, just calm down. Just listen. Listen to me. Just listen, Chizzy. Chizzy, please listen to me. Chizzy.
Chiamaka, why are you not sleeping?
I'm not feeling sleepy.
Don't tell me it's because of the gunshots.
That is more than the gunshots. Look at sister out there, having phone conversation by this hour of the night. She's not sleeping. Me, I'm no longer comfortable sleeping in this house.
You're not comfortable sleeping in your own father's house?
Yes.
Oh, really? Huh? Okay, you know what? Since you're not comfortable sleeping in your father's house, maybe you should get Papa hunting cap and a mat. Then go to the evil forest. I think it will be safer there. Huh?
But I'm not joking here.
Do I look like a joker? Did I say I'm joking?
Okay. What if those people that came were armed robbers? What if they come again?
You just said something. You said our sister is out there trying to protect us and every other person with gun. Huh? And here you are, you're scared.
Is that all you can say?
Oh, okay. No, that's not all I can see. But you know what? You see what? Oh yeah, let me turn my back. Hop in. Hop in. Let me carry you and start dancing around like Tata. That you are. My friend, go inside and go and sleep. What's wrong with you?
It's not better. I even go and stand with sister at the gate and staying with you. You cannot even protect me.
But stay too. My friend, come go inside. I said go inside. Yeah, stay with what?
Marcus! Marcus!
Hi, sweetheart.
Princess?
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing in my house at this time of the night? Besides, how did you get access into this house?
Oh, come off it. I have access to everything in my grasp, including my father's kingdom.
Princess,
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to ask you to leave. Can you please get up and leave?
Come off it. Don't discharge me just like that, alright? Hey. What I want from you is very simple.
What are you trying to do?
It's either you keep your cool and enjoy ourselves, or I will scream of sexual harassment.
Princess, please stop. You do not have to do this. Can you just be honorable enough and just go home? Just go home, see your parents. Please. Don't do this, Princess. I beg you. Just go. Princess, please, Princess! Princess! No.
Madam Princess, what happened?
It's not what it is.
He tried to rape me! He tried to monster!
It is not what it looks like. It is not.
happening here? Can somebody tell us what is happening here?
What demon has possessed this girl? Why would she come into my palace with a caterpillar? What is wrong with you? And she said with a gun again? What is this?
Igwe! I clear you say my second comic go bad. Things I follow you play, Abi. I tell una say I know well. If I don't release my mama, I go burn this palace. I go fall am.
Have you gone mad?
I done the mad since. They find cure for the madness. They never see am. You don't know say I done the mad today. Where is my mother?
So you look the whole of this kingdom for a place where you will go to exhibit your madness. You do not see anywhere but this palace?
I done the mad now.
Have you gone berserk?
Igwe, I done the mad since.
How dare you? Huh? How dare you come into my father's palace and threaten to pull down this palace? Are you mad?
Where you were be like on right plantain, not vex me, oh! Not try am, you're mad! I done the mad since! My brain dey market, they wait for my body to join them. If my mama not come out, I swear to God, una go see beast!
Now I dare you! I dare you, young lady, to pull down this palace! I dare you! Get!
Your Majesty!
What are you waiting for? Get her! Kill her now! Get her!
When they try am now, if they put body, blood go surplus for this place. Their body go surplus, when they try am. When they put body now, let's say they follow that place. I came prepared. Where is my mother?
Can you still remember when my father did the greatest magic in your life and that of your father, our king? What do you mean? My late grandfather cured your grandfather of his asthma. Your grandfather almost died one day, but my grandfather ran into the bush. And I still remember his exact words. He said, it will be a thing of shame that in his own existence, that the king will die of asthma. He ran into the bush, he toiled, he suffered, he prepared a herb and cured your late grandfather. And years later, my father cured your father and you as well. It was you who cured? No. I only gave you the herbs prepared by my father. And you got well. And today we are enemies over nothing. Why the hate? Why do you want to kill me? It is not in your destiny to marry a commoner. It is not in your destiny to marry Declan or Okonkwo. He is mine. And that is why everything played out the way it happened. Queen Amaka, learn to love the one you have. Times, memories, everything has gone by. Learn to let go. I am sorry and I'm also sad about what my daughter did. But it could have been avoided.
Mama, are you okay?
Why there's so much hatred? Why you? Okininese, no. Why is there so much hatred? Why you? Okininese.
Oh, Your Majesty, she must be banished. Banishment is the word. This is an insult.
Hi! It's unbelievable. I've never seen this type of a thing in my entire life. Unbelievable.
Elders, please. Let us calm down and do this meeting.
The meeting is adjourned indefinitely.
Yeah, she said no nonsense again. She know they look your face. Justice must be done, no matter who you be. And if you give her trouble, she go give you double. Fire for fire, and she not the fear face you. If you give her trouble.
That is how it happened. If I could say Jack, she slapped me, and this is not the first time she's doing that. Hey! Okay, what's the problem? Hey, Amanda!
Ogini!
Pick my teeth.
Hey! How dare you disrespect my wife? And at the same time, you are disrespecting me! Both of you should stop this man.
Allow her! You want to fight me, right?
I said, stop this man, both of you!
Come here, what are you going on? Stupid idiot! Look, Okonkwo, tell your wife not to talk back at me whenever I am talking. I am the queen of this kingdom. I am in charge. I am your queen.
No, I said enough!
Learn how to respect me.
Stop it!
Learn to respect me. You see? Learn.
It's okay.
What are you waiting for? Go to your face.
No, stop it! I don't like this. Stop it! It's okay.
Get to your face. Come now.
It's okay. Please, it's okay. Please stop it. It's okay. Please, it's okay. I'm sorry. Please.
Okay. Wasn't I trying to challenge?
Mama Chizite.
Ogini. What is it? Ogini. Say what you want to say. I am not in the right frame of mind, and you know that. Biko.
I can't stop saying I am sorry. It is not my fault. Neither is it yours. I am begging you, please, let it be.
This madness has to stop. Okonkwo, this madness has to stop. Declan, how can a fellow woman like me come to my house and slap me? Give me that slap and not free like that because she's the queen. She's lucky that my children were not around. She is lucky that she's there, Anoria. If not, you know what would have happened? You know now. You know, and you, by the way, why did you hold me back? Why? Makagene?
You and I know why she's acting this way. That was why I have begged you to please let it be, because I don't want any of our children to get to know what is happening. Please, I am begging you, please.
Okay. I should not tell my children.
Yes.
Emma, no. You know what would have happened if I tell them. You know what will happen. You know now. You should have told me that we came back to the village for you and your lover to reunite. For you and the queen to reunite. If you have told me, you should have told me.
Will you just keep quiet? Did I put water in my mouth to talk? I have told you none of our children should get to know about this, and you are still there ranting. What does you want me to do?
Oh, I'm ranting. I'm ranting up here.
Come on, get me my gist.
Come on,
Nonsense. Emeka. Papa. Come, let's eat. Chamaka.
Papa.
Come and eat now. Let us come and eat.
Let me.
You are calling you to come and eat now. I don't want to hear that you finish this food though. You know what I will do to you now.
You can't just say no for food for once.
See me you're talking to. Are you normal? Yes. What about my mama? Is not eating.
Come on, eat though.
Don't call my name again. Eat your food. Biko.
How do you see you remember that? For your mother.
Papa, this is all the food. You should come and eat.
I don't have time for you.
But you are removing fish. Papa is here, you are removing fish. Don't even have respect for your father.
Is Papa complaining?
Becca, you are becoming something else. So, both of you should shut up.
Sorry.
What's wrong with you? My friend, come and bring this thing down. Are you okay? Are you normal?
You were coughing. I'm sorry.
Papa, you leave this one for us now.
Mama, this is the last food though. Mama?
Organic.
I know you don't eat much. Let me take it.
Papa.
Hey, are you okay?
Drop the meat.
Papa said it's for the two of us.
Papa, wait, I want to share. Wait,
Papa,
let me share.
Papa, he will
No,
not
I will share it.
Wait,
Papa,
drop it.
Wait, I will share.
Mama, it's like you and Papa have sworn never to tell us what is happening in this house. Yes, it's like the both of you have sworn not to tell us why the two of you are keeping long faces in this house. And it's not good though. It's not good, Mama. Look at me now. You said I'm your last born, your loving child, yet you have refused to tell me anything.
Chiamaka.
Mama.
Apamaka. Leave me alone. I am fine.
Mama, you are not fine. You are not fine at all. It is written all over you that you are not fine. Especially you, Mama. For 3 days now, 3 good days, you have not eaten anything. You don't talk to anybody. You don't even talk to Papa. What is happening? What is the problem? Talk to somebody now. Tell us, what is it? It's not good, oh.
Chiamaka. Chiamaka.
Mama.
Chiamaka.
Oh.
How many times did I call you?
Mommy, I do not count though.
Because leave me alone. I said I am fine.
Fine. There's no problem. Since you have refused to talk to me, since nobody wants to talk to me in this house, there is no problem. But let me tell all of us in this house that when Sister Chizitere comes back from her Oyibo bulldozing work, I will tell her. I will tell her everything that has been happening in this house. I will tell her everything. I will not remain anyone, not even a single pin. I will tell her.
Chiamaka.
Mama.
If you tell Chizitere anything, I will do. What I will do to you, you will not like me.
Okay, fine. If you don't want me to tell her, then tell me. I'm your last born, your loving daughter. What is the problem?
Mama,
I will tell her. I will tell her.
Get out. Come on, get out from here. Let me rest. Okay.
Mama, what is the problem? I've been asking this because nobody wants to talk to me. Mama has been angry for a week now. I've never seen her like this before. I hate to see Mama like this, so what's the problem? Eh?
I'm fine.
Mama, you're not fine. You've not eaten for 1 week in this house. What's the problem now? Why are you sad?
But
she's... Papa, she's... Papa! 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 Papa!
Ogini, don't do this now. Ogini, what is it? Sorry.
Eh? You don't understand. She entered my papa's house, can't slap you. She dey mad.
my daughter, please calm down.
Now, I won't understand why she go do that kind of thing.
Calm down.
No. I want to understand what did they give her morale. Why would she enter my father's house to slap my mother? What does she think she is?
Exactly. Because, Mama, I don't understand. Eh? You told me you guys were childhood friends during your days.
Yes. That our grandfather was the Onowu and her father the king of our maternal home. And you both got married into this community by accident. Then why the cruel manner towards you? Why the hate? I mean, this is questionable.
Now English you dey speak, oh. Now English you dey speak because Ajay, if I go that palace, I go return the slap.
My daughter, you will do no such thing. How dare you?
I go do am.
How dare you?
Why would she slap my mother? She go collect woto. It don't be, oh. No, make her enter that palace first. Because I go must do am.
I support you.
I support you.
Okay, Father, this is nonsense. Arrant nonsense. I keep asking what is going on. You released that woman. And you know very well that Chizitere has not even surrendered my brother's car key and phones. What is going on, Father?
Your biggest problem is that you do not even know what is coming. You see, you and your brother, that 11 million naira you took from the youths, you are going to refund it.
No way. It won't happen.
Father, honestly, with all due respect, I have to tell you how I feel. Father, you are so annoying. Why are you irritating everyone in this household? Why? Huh? Why can't you work with your family?
Shut up. Shut up with it. Shut up there. What are you actually saying? Are you not supposed to be talking to your mother? No, you want me to tolerate injustice because I am your father? I am the king of this kingdom. And everybody is equal in my eyes. I am not going to tolerate injustice. Are you not supposed to be talking to your mother to find out the reason she is constantly antagonizing that woman? What is going on? Are they not supposed to be related together as sisters from the same Ngene village? Both of you are connected. What is this? Even Chizitere, you are talking about Chizitere. Chizitere is sharing the same maternal home with you. Why do you hate that woman so much? What is going on?
With all due respect, Your Majesty, you have shown the entire kingdom, even your family, that you are a weak man. You are a weak one. A weak one.
Okay, I maybe because I am here with you in our family, let me agree for peace to reign. You say that I amaze you, no problem. Now that you have accepted, can we talk as friends? Can you open up to me? Can you tell me the reason you hate this woman with a lot of venom that is coming right from the inside of you? Can you?
Why there's so much hatred? Why you?
Wise one. This girl is not afraid of nobody. Not even my father. She's crazy. No, the worst part of this whole shit is that my father is on her side.
Abomination. This is unacceptable.
Wise one, you know what? I need you to take her out. Okay? I need you to take her out completely. Look, just tell me what it will cost. I'm ready to pay you any amount. Please.
My prince, this is gross disrespect to the kingdom.
Wise one, I don't know. She gives me nightmares. Wise one, this girl torments me. I don't know. You know what? Why don't you just send her madness? Yes, send her madness. You know, everyone. Look, I know you can do this shit for me, okay? Please just take care of this girl. I beg you. Please. She torments me.
My prince, I understand you. Do not worry yourself anymore. I know what to do. I know.
Thank you. Thank you, wise one.
Princess, I have told you times and times again that you are not welcome here. And your presence here will put you in trouble.
Trouble? Trouble from who exactly?
Princess, get out of my house. Just leave. And don't come back here again. Do you hear me?
I can see that you have forgotten who I am. So I am going to reintroduce myself. I am Princess Chetachi of Orumba Kingdom. And whatever I want, I get.
I know. But I have nothing in common with royalty. So...
You know, you have to count yourself lucky, for I have found you worthy in my sight. I, Princess Chetachi of Orumba Kingdom, I want you to be my newest love. I want to be the woman in your life.
Listen, Princess, you have to look for somebody else. Do you hear me? Because I have a girlfriend already. And as a matter of fact, we're about to get married. You see, all the necessary rites have been made. She is my fiancée as we speak.
Come on, baby. You know that's not gonna happen, right? You know that,
Listen to me, young lady. This is not your kingdom. This is not your father's palace. I am not your subject. Do you hear me?
I know you are not my subject.
Get out of my house.
I am the newest love in your life, my darling.
Don't touch me. Get out of my house now.
You know, for once, you are right, my love. Because you are not my subject, but my lover. Fine, but I'll be back. Mona! Mona! Mona!
Jesus.
Person go just the thief. If to say alarm sleep with me now, that's why if you manipulate me. If I no fit get mouth talk. If I no fit get mouth challenge him. Thank God though. Thank God say I keep to myself. Someone was at my back. I felt a presence. Someone was here. Show your face! Show your face! I'm not afraid of you! Show your face now!
Gods of our land. This girl is not ordinary. How did she sense I was there? She nearly caught me. My charm did not get her. Oh. I will be back.
Yes, I will be back. I need you to come to my palace. Yes, I need you to come today. I know you may be thinking that this is a trap, but I am assuring you that you are very safe. I need you to come here because I want to discuss with you. I want to understand exactly what is going on. And if you can come now that my family is not around, I will appreciate that. I am waiting.
Why there's so much hatred? Why you? Ogininess, no. Why is there so much hatred? Why you? Ogininess, no. Yeah, ayo.
What? He asked you to come to the palace? When? Yeah, I mean, what time? I mean, what time do you want us to go to the palace? It's okay. I'll just grab something and eat and freshen up, and I'll be out soon. Okay? Alright, I'll see you soon. Why would he invite her for a meeting in the palace?
By this time tomorrow, to put the cripple, him and that, the man also, and take it.
All of this. What happened?
Do you take a moon? Why even make a moon? I greet you, all my fellow youths.
We greet you too.
All I'm trying to say is, let us support Chiziteri. Because this revelation has never been heard or done in this land. Enough is enough. Let us all throw away our fears and face the facts.
Exactly.
Prince Ikemba and Princess Chetachi has been eating our money, and that wickedness must stop.
Yes, I hate such behavior. I mean, how can they be eating our money and we are like this? We must show our solidarity, our support to encourage Chiziteri. And as for that 11 million, it must fall out. Bam!
Yes. Yes. Prince Ikemba and Princess Chetachi must provide those buses we all agreed to purchase.
Yes.
Bam. Anyways, thank you all for coming. And please, I want to plead with us all. From here, let's march to Chiziteri's father's house to show her our support.
Yes.
To show her that we are behind her.
There, you are right.
Erima.
You don't even need to beg us.
Oh yeah, it's pretending now. You don't need to beg us. But me now. I would have loved to go, but I have something important to do for my grandmother. So you guys should go. I'll come and join you later.
I hope you will not disappoint.
Don't disappoint us.
No, when we get there now, we will not see you. I know what I'm saying. Don't disappoint us.
You know me now.
EJ,
Are you sure?
no problem. So long as you are with us. So you will meet us there. Ngwa, Uje. Chizitere. Chizitere. Zitere kaigeso. Mone jeje mona lala. Zitere kaigeso. Zitere. Zitere. Zitere kaigeso. Mone jeje mona lala. Zitere kaigeso.
She say no nonsense again. She know they look your face. Justice must be done, no matter who you be. And if you give her trouble, she go give you double. Fire for fire, and she not the fear.
We have deliberated on this. You have shown resistance and doggedness of character. His Majesty wants all this drama to stop. And still he has another thing to add.
Yes. Like I said, I am going to pay back the money. I need you to present me your account or a trusted account where you want the money to be sent. I will put the money into that account so that everything will come to an end. But most importantly, I do not want my son and my daughter to continue to function as members of the executive of the youths. I want both of them removed from the youth government. The youths should be able to appoint who their leader is, and I see in you one who can make a leader, but that is if the youths will approve. They have to form their own leadership, but my son and my daughter will not be part of it. This meeting should be kept a secret. There is no member of my family that knows about this, and I want it to remain that way.
I'll send a trusted account. Thank you, Your Majesty.